Hey guys, Anthony here with an updated tutorial on how to complete the W-8BEN form for Amazon Associates. In a previous video, I showed you how to complete the W-8BEN form manually for general purposes, so feel free to check it out. So first, log into your Amazon affiliate account, and then click on your email address in the top right corner, and then choose Account Settings. It'll bring you to this page. So click on this link here in the section that says View/Provide Tax Information. This will bring you to this tax dashboard. Let me scroll down. Now this may look a bit different for you if you're completing this for the first time. I've submitted my form earlier, so this is like I'm updating my tax profile here. So in your case, you may see like short interview. In my case, I need to click on this Update Tax Profile button. And on this page, you start completing the W-8BEN form. If you're a registered business, it's a different form, which is the W-8BEN-E form, and I've created a separate tutorial on how to complete that form. In this tutorial, we are completing the regular W-8BEN form. So I'll choose Individual. Next, I'll choose No for Are you a US person? For the next question, I'll choose No because I'm completing the form myself. Let me scroll down, enter your full name into this box, and then choose your country of citizenship. Check your permanent address, and then let me scroll down, and then check this box if your mailing address is the same. In this section, you need to enter your foreign tax identification number. I'm going to choose I have a non-US TIN and enter my social insurance number or the SIN number because I'm from Canada. So if you are from another country, just enter your tax number that you use in your country. Click the Continue button. Let me scroll down. Next, you need to choose the location of services performed. In my case, all services are performed outside the US, so I'll choose this option. And then click Save and Preview. On the preview page, make sure you check this box for electronic signature. Let me scroll down. This is the first section, so make sure that you check the information you've entered, like your name and address. Let me scroll down again. So this is the second section. In part 2, don't worry if this is blank. It will be automatically populated based on your country of permanent residence. But just for your information, in my case, that is Canada. The article number is 12, paragraphs 2 and 3. The type of income is commissions, and the US tax withholding rate is 0. And for the explanation part, it should be something like beneficial owner has a permanent establishment in Canada and all work is performed in Canada as per Article 5. Let me scroll down. Check this box to certify that you have the capacity to sign. Type your full name in this box as your signature. Date it. In this section, you'll only see if you've submitted an earlier W-8BEN form, so make sure to check this box. Let me scroll down. Again, this section, you'll only see if you've submitted this form earlier. So I'll click on No, and then sign my name into this box, and date it. And then finally, I'll click the Submit Form button. You'll get a confirmation. And as you can see, in my case, the US tax withholding rate is 0. You can use this download link to download the form as a PDF format for your records. But that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.